Hey there, it's David with the ImagineArt team. So, Workflows is a visual node system that lets you connect AI models together like a flowchart. Instead of doing one thing at a time, you can build entire creative pipelines, text to image to video, all connected, all in one place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how it all works. Let's get into it. So everything in Workflows starts with nodes. To add one, just double-click anywhere on the canvas. You'll see a menu pop up with all your options. You can also hit Control-K on Windows or Command-K on Mac to quick search. Type image, video, or even a specific model name like Nano Banana. Now, there's two main categories here. First, there's your core nodes. These are your generators. The prompt node is where you write your instructions. The image node generates images, and it's packed with models like Flux Pro, ImagineArt, Nano Banana, etc., all built right in. The video node handles motion. You've got VO3, Kling, Hilo, Sora, etc. And the text node, or LLMs, uses AI models like Claude or ChatGPT or Gemini to analyze content, combine ideas, or generate text. Then you've got utility nodes. These allow things for like crop, resize, remove background, upscale, filters. They refine and polish what your core nodes create. So let's try it out. I'm going to add a text prompt. I'm going to add an image generation, Nano Banana Pro. I'm going to connect them together by dragging the output of the text prompt to the input of the image prompt. I'm going to type in a simple prompt and hit run to run it. It's worth noting that nodes are always connected from left to right, like reading a sentence. The output from one node connects to the input of the other. You connect text to text, image to image, video to video. Once everything's linked up, you can click Run on any node, or select everything and hit Control-Enter on Windows or Command-Enter on a Mac to run it all. So every node you add lives on this infinite canvas. There's no edge, no boundary. You can spread out and organize however makes sense to you. To move around, hold space and click and drag on any empty space. You can use your scroll wheel to zoom in and out, or you can pinch and zoom on a trackpad. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be flying around in no time. You can also use the zoom controls at the bottom right of the screen. When you run a workflow, you can track progress in the active runs panel that's in the bottom left. It shows you what's processing, what's finished, and if anything failed. To inspect a specific node, just click on it. The right sidebar shows you all the details, settings, model, output, everything. And if you need to find something you made earlier, hit the Assets icon in the left toolbar. That's your library of previous generations, all saved and organized. As your workflows grow, you'll want to stay organized. Use sections to group related nodes together. Click the Sections icon in the left panel, name it, and drag nodes in. Sections allow you to move and organize the nodes within a section as if they were one, and you can even run the selected nodes at the section all at the same time. You can name your workflow at the top left to keep your project straight. And when you're ready to share, hit the share button in the top right. Copy the link and send it to your team. Anyone can view it and make a copy. And that's Workflows. Nodes to create, canvas to organize, and tools to monitor and share your work. The fastest way to get started is the featured workflows on the dashboard. They're pre-built and ready to run. Just swap in your own prompts and hit go. Head on over to imagine.art/flow and start building.